Guys, this is Sonos Bin Generation 2, and this one is Sonos Ray and Sonos ARC. Sonos Ray is $279. Sonos Ray $279. Sonos Bin 2 generation is $449. Sonos ARC is $899. Nice soundbar. Beautiful. And see what it looks like. This is nice soundbar. This one, Sonos Bin 2 generation, got 5 speakers with inbuilt subwoofer. Then Sonos ARC got 11 speakers, Soundtech, single bar, Bluetooth. This one is Sonos Ray. Beautiful. We got a soundbar here that I want us to unbox. Check it out and see what is inside. This is Sonos Ray soundbar. Sonos Ray soundbar. This soundbar is a compact soundbar. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network. Just gonna open this up to see. Go. Sonos Ray soundbar. Sonos this soundbar. Need to connect it to Wi-Fi network. Brilliant, nice packaging. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Red. Beautiful. I like the packaging. This is cloth. This is black color. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Sonos Ray. And at the back here, you got, see what it looks like. Beautiful. So the power cable goes in here and see what it looks like. Sonos Ray. So this soundbar can hook it up and to Wi-Fi and also connect it. This is the power cable. this is information. Let's get started. Sonos Ray setup. Connect the audio and power cable. Download Sonos app. Okay, so this is the power cable. Goes in here. Push it inside. Okay. Okay, and plug it on to this. Plug this onto the socket. Okay. Just want to check to make sure nothing else. To see if this okay. So this is optical cable included in the packaging. So this is optical cable. Checking if there is any other thing in this box. So nothing else in this box. Nice packaging. Okay. This soundbar from this end to this end is 55 centimeter. 5 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. And the optical cable, okay, this optical cable goes in, okay, and optical cable goes in here. So this soundbar can only connect it to, this is optical cable goes in here. We can also connect it to with Wi-Fi network. Nice. What I want to see if the optical cable is especially for this soundbar or for others. Okay, other optical cable can also use it. Okay. Now, so we'll go to use your mobile device and go to Sonos, download Sonos app. So go to your Play Store. The way this works is this is first go to your Play Store, okay, and download Sonos app. Download Sonos app, install it on your phone. This is Sonos app. And you can see light is showing here, green light. So at a glance, play and control audio using Sonos app via TV remote or touch control on Rays. So this is play, okay. So from here, this is play and pause, and this is for you to volume. Press left to decrease the volume and right to increase the volume. So left to decrease the volume, up, okay. Allow Sonos to send you notification. Click allow. Okay, stream music from your favorite. Okay, so stream music, stream content from your favorite service. Listening in any or every room. Control and customize terms and condition. View terms and condition, United Kingdom. Click accept. Okay, now set up a new system. Now you type, enter email address to create Sonos account or sign in. So enter your email address, click continue. Okay, then enter your password, click sign in. Okay, click continue. Now allow auto discovery. Okay, for easy setup, Sonos need location, Bluetooth permission, so nearby product can be automatically discovered. Click location, click continue, click one time to allow location, and location is found. The next is Bluetooth. Okay, click allow Bluetooth on your mobile device. Click turn on. Okay, and you can see all set. Okay, click done. Now select your product. You can see the product is added. Ray added. Click add. Click add. For quick and easy setup, allow microphone to access your mobile device. Click continue. Click allow. Only this time. Getting your Sonos ready. Here we go. Can see the light is changing. Next, you need your Ray will play a chime with an audio pin to temporarily connect mobile device to it. Click continue. Here we go. Discovering Ray. Connecting to your Ray. Here we go. Connecting to your Ray. Now let's add your Ray to a Wi-Fi net. So you picked up my home Wi-Fi network. So the next thing we need to do now is to put the password. So I have the password here with me. So I have the password, okay, which I'm going to put in. So this is how to set this up. So I'm going to put the password, then we'll go from there. Make sure if you put the password, then you select I sign for you to see, double check the information you put is correct. And if you're happy with it, I'm pretty much happy with the information that I typed in here. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you need to select, once you put the password, you need to select connect, and it's connecting Ray to password to the Wi-Fi network. You can see it's connecting. If you put all the information, if the information is correct, then it should supposed to connect. So we just need to wait. Now, where are you putting your Ray? Okay, so you need to decide. So it's connected. Where are you putting your Ray? So you need to select bedroom. Okay, select continue. Adding. Okay, add an up-to-date available for your Ray that must be completed several. There are an update available for your Ray that must be completed several minutes before you can use it. Click update. Set songs as alarm. Okay, wake up with your favorite playlist and that add reminder. So can add alarm, or you can also swipe to skip. You can swipe to skip. Now these are the things. So it's finishing update, so it's still updating. Swipe right across touch control to skip the next. You can see, here we go, your Ray has been added. You can continue, personalize it, click done, and let's get Ray connected to TV. Okay, so now this stuff is connected. Okay, you can see, let's get there. Do you want to exit TV setup? Click OK. Okay, so you can exit TV setup now. So the next thing to do is you need to add your favorite music. Okay, so you select where you want to play your music. So I'm going to see if there's any epidemic sound. So when you connect your Sonos to Wi-Fi network, then you need to go to browse, okay, and look for where it's written Sonos radio or TV or on this device. So you select the device. Now with this, we need a permission to access music stored on this device to play. So grant permission, click allow. Okay, so you can see, so I have music on here. Okay, so just go to songs and select. Okay, then select, here we go. This is beautiful. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to I would cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. So you press the center one to stop. Press the center one to play and resume. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to I would cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you. So press left to decrease the volume. Now press to the right to increase the volume. This is beautiful. So press to the left side to decrease the volume, then press to the right to increase the volume. Beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, this is the audio sound for this Ray soundbar, Sonos Ray soundbar. This soundbar is nice in terms of the audio quality. It's nice, very beautiful soundbar. But my concern with it is not everybody will be able to connect this soundbar. There's quite a lot of things you need to do. You need to connect this soundbar to Wi-Fi network, then go to the app, Sonos app, and register and log in. Register your soundbar. Then you also need to add the music you want to play, because unless you have account with Spotify and YouTube Music and other music companies, so if you download music on your phone, then you need to give authorized permission for your music on your phone to be accessed. So it's a lot of process, but this is just to show you what this soundbar looks like. I think it's beautiful. My only thing is this soundbar hasn't got Bluetooth, so it's connected to my home Wi-Fi network. Okay, but overall I'm happy with the sound quality and audio. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.